Lifetime. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do some rewriting, I think. We're going to store it all. We're going to store these in the map. We're going to store these variables in the map, or with the map. It's easy enough. Then I just have to be sure to go and get them after that happens, after that gets loaded. Okay. Not doing it that way. resource saver.save. Okay, so we would do save data.scene. Save data.extra equals extra files. Okay. Okay, so it just kind of gets. We can assign the variables externally. That seems strange. But I guess it makes sense. I guess it makes sense. Oh. Oh no, this actually is similar. That's then save that dictionary. But the resource saver and resource approach is usually cleaner. Okay. Because we don't even handle this as save data yet. Yet. Is this just not that complicated at all? Hello, how are you? Hmm. Did you do a lot of characters? Saving and loading again? I think I've got it now, though. This should be, like, pretty quick. This should be quick, and then we can move on. It's something which has to be done, man. It has to be done. Like, it, what are you mad about? Okay. Let's. 'Cause, this is kind of weird the way that I'm doing this. Let's do something kind of like that. Let's do map scene, var map scene, playable gameplay. Dude, calm down. Did you do character descriptions and like their lines? Did you do that? Because if you did any of those, that's gameplay. Well, actually, events are gameplay too. So you're working on it, aren't you? That is literally gameplay. It doesn't seem like it, but it is. It directly affects the way the player interacts with the game. That's a big deal. I think I've just made it too simple for you. I've just made it too easy for you. The voice recordings don't really need to be implemented. They just need to be imported and like I could do that in a minute. I could do that in a minute, but stop distracting me. I'm doing events. Or I'm working on saving. We've got very, very little left. Imported and edited a bit. A little bit. It shouldn't be too big of a deal. It shouldn't be too big of a deal. Audio is not that complicated to deal with. We just need to like check the quality, make sure they're all similar, and then we like compress them and we do stuff like that. That's it. It's not that complicated. We just have to do it. We just have to do like the same things for each of them. It's not really hard. It's just a little time consuming. It's not even that time consuming. I just haven't done it yet. Okay, so map data. Will equal packed scene dot new. Okay, and then we've got that is the node in map scene. We go up to the parent. We go up to the parent. We go down to the map scene, and then we get the node. That's what that does. That's good. We don't want to pack root. We just want to pack save data dot scene equals pns. Okay. So we've got pack scene dot new map data dot pack path node. Okay. This is a node path. It's very long, but that's what it is. Awesome. Doesn't break or anything. Okay. And then we're going to want a new save data object. we're gonna do. Okay, wait. We could just put this all in the same file now. I want to take those guys. I'm gonna take these guys and I want to put them in a dictionary, right? As properties on the same save resource. Okay. I do think that I was a bit overly concerned about this, but I do think that a bit of it was warranted because this is not. It's not very direct. A lot of it is not very direct because we're getting shit from all over the place, basically. Let's do file. He's going to be a dictionary. Yeah, make him a dictionary. We'll call this one save data. And he is a blank dictionary. We don't need this because that is... I do want that, though. Plus file name plus... .tres. That will be relevant. Not yet. Not yet, but that will be important. Okay, so save data. Estizzle. So this will be like this. Save data. Stizzle. Okay, and then we'll do something like that for each of these. Not stizzle, though. Look. And then attributes would be PA. Okay. So then when we are doing stuff, we can do that. And then we can, yes, and then we can unpack it, basically, in load game. Let's just do the full word. That's what it is. Bring on the dialogue. Whenever. Whenever we'll get it done faster. Map equals. We got pack root. Pack C and new. Okay, then we pack. Map data.pack. Okay, yes. Then save file. Save file, and that will be. Yeah. This will be something similar to what I did, or what I had before, a little bit. A little bit, not too much. Oh no, that's a class. That's a class in the example. Ew. Ew, object-oriented programming. How gross. That would mean that that's just a new file access. And we don't do new file access. Would it be new resource? Resource saver, not new? That's an engine singleton. We can do resource anew. We can do that. Zip file dot scene equals map data. And then we could do save file. Dot data equals save data. It should actually be dot map space. Okay, so then we're doing resource saver. Dot save. What song we gonna use for the end credits? I don't know yet, man. We'll get there. We'll get there. That'll probably be one of the last things we do. Dot save data. No, not save data. Save file. Yes, I do. I do. And then we want path string. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Boom. And that's all good. Okay. We can't really test it yet. We can't really test this yet because we can't load it. We could see the files, but would be the point. Would be the point. So map space equals map data. Okay. So it's kind of these two. Because this should be a little bit easier now, actually. Because we've got get parent upload game. All of this could go away. Hmm. Current scene. Okay, that's fine. Okay, because now it's a resource, so we can just do load. Saves file name. Expected at most 1, but received 2. Okay, that's fine. Save data.scene.instantiate. So cell turns equals file to load dot save data. And that's not cell turns. Cell turns, that'll be called save data. Cell turns, bar cell turns. So I'll need 3 of these. Location. Their attributes. And then var map node equals file to load dot map.
Yeah.
Scene? Is that what I called it? Map space. Okay. Just to keep things a little bit consistent. And that should work. I kind of have low expectations. Let's call him Flippo. type pack scene on a base object of type resource. What level is it? Like, how close is it? There might be guys up here. Yep, right in front of us. Found one. I think it's AI. You need ammo? Valid assignment of property or key map space with value of type packed scene. Hmm. On 130. One guy closer. At the left rock. Man, I forgot to extract. Okay, he's pushing me with no audio. Yes. That makes sense. Do I just need to do this? No. Save data.cn equals PS.
Cluster Coast. On me. He's weak.
Uh,
And the John Wick spray.
your code looks like this. It will trigger the error.
Unextracted.
Important not resource.new. Save data is the problem. It's where is that? That's here. Oh no, it's this.
I'm pushing this guy.
But save data doesn't exist.
Where's Spider-Man? 50, 70, 100.
Did we just do file access? Save data script.new.
Where's the circle? It doesn't show on my screen.
Base resource does not have the save have the scene property.
Get the.
Oh no shit.
Oh, never mind. So we already did this one.
Save data resource equals save data script.new. What's saxophone data? No custom data structure, please. Actually, I guess that's fine. Let's do that then.
I'm going for the vault.
Create new.
I might extract too. I don't know.
Script.
No, I want the vault. Make it, please.
We call it save file. No, not save file. Save
Okay, it just marks the one that's not installed.
data. .gd. He does not extend node. He extends resource. Why is that different? I don't know.
Obama spray. I know. Can I make it to you in time?
Vaccine var.
Yes. Okay, let's go.
We'll just call it extra. Why not?
Do you make it or anything? You get out.
Instantiate it by loading the script. And then we're using that. Because we're saving this, which is a resource. Okay, I get it now. Even though it only has two variables. This is the object. This is the object which we are saving. Okay, that makes much more sense. So then this would equal save data.new. Okay.
I wish I would do that.
Oh, I need to preload it. Okay. I need to make sure it gets loaded. That's it. Okay. Yeah, we need to load it like he's a guy. Save data script. when he's not a script at all. Okay, colon equal, just to make sure. Reload. That will be him.
The big one that everyone's always on.
We can go var, save data,
The gas station.
or save file.
You guys weak at the gas station.
Save file, which is a resource now. Which is a resource now.
They are.
Save data script.new. And he is a resource, which means we use the resource saver down here, which we are doing. We are doing that already.
You guys are on the hill, by the way. That rock.
This needs to be accurate, though. These two guys. I called them scene and extra.
I'm being shot by the other team.
I think he needs to be map space, though. I think he needs to be map space in order for other things to work.
That's what I tried to do, but it got me. No.
Map space equals map data. Okay. Save file dot extra equals save data. Perfect. It's all good now.
I can see what the llama does right now.
I'm gonna look at this because I know that there are problems with this as well.
Okay, the quack water sprite side gives 50% sprite XP earned to all other sprites in your inventory. The llama one do. Opening ammo boxes has a chance to break a weapon up.
Okay, save. We'll call Plippo again. Oh, we can't hit enter. It's too professional, man. It makes me think that it's professional when it is not. Doing the remembering. Okay, so then we will load. And he crashes. Invalid access to property, save data. That's not what it's called. It's called extra. Okay. And then it is called map space there. Cell data or cell turns equals save data dot, or not dot, save data STSLE location player attributes. Just be PA. Okay. We should be able to load from here as well. Cannot call or invalid access to property or key extra on a base object.
Was that season? Okay. location for the chest. They make you break the piano.
Invalid access to property or key extra. Oh yeah, we're supposed to handle it like a resource being loaded now, right?
A chance to get a
We
weapon
load
upgrade
him.
when you open an ammo box.
That's good. Oh, it's already saved with the name. Okay. It's already saved like that. That's why it's not working. When you save it, that happens automatically. Good. Good stuff. So he's .tres. So or that's what was being looked for.
You loot this building?
Okay, yeah. It is called plippo.tres. Wait. Yeah. That stays. This one doesn't. No, this one does. That one doesn't. No. Because that's saved correctly. It saved correctly.
Below me?
Oh, yeah, because we get the whole file names here. Yeah. Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay, we don't need to do that. We don't need to do that anymore. Where is this? This is under map GD. Okay.
There's a big shield in here.
He's just an object now. He's just an object now.
I don't know.
We don't need that. I didn't look at the map, so I don't know what it's supposed to look like. But I can load it multiple times, so I can figure it out. I'm smart. I'm smart like that. Oh yeah, it does need to be called map space though. It doesn't desperately need to be called map space. Desperately. That has to be that way. It got really close.
Dummy ghost spread.
Script inherits from native type panel, so it can't be assigned to an object of type packed scene. How can I unpack him?
The demon sprite. Just give a big shield. Oh no, SMG.
Unpack a packed scene to a node in GD script.
On that big rock. I missed.
Oh, I can instantiate map data dot
On me.
instantiate. Okay, there we go.
He's weak.
Come on.
Dead.
It works, I think.
I didn't extract. I can't get there fast enough.
Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh. I got him. I need heals.
Okay, and then it failed to do the event. That's fine. I don't think I loaded. I don't think I got one, though. I don't think I generated the map. I think I can only generate the map if it's like if it gets called.
Fire sprite, just so you know. Make it or something. There's vending machines this way.
Yeah, because it did happen. It did happen, but I just don't think there was anything there. Memorize it. Memorize it. Memorize him. Load.
30, 30, 60.
Oh.
And you get good stuff.
Bunga bunga. I needed to save.
I think there's an enemy over there because something just scanned. Yep. I think it's AI again. I'm moving left.
Strange. Strange layout. Very strange.
On the metal building up there. He hit me. I'm healing.
That doesn't do anything yet, right?
30. 30. 30.
Jigo.
40. It's still gliding. That run your distance. On our left,
Okay, whatever.
behind us side,
That's fine.
on the mountain,
Please work.
in the air to your left.
Fingers crossed, everyone. Everyone, this will decide if I get to leave. No, it doesn't open.
I'm gonna shoot at this guy.
Am I sure that I have him saved? Choose program.
Really smart, but dope.
Open in VS Code.
Still up behind us on the metal structure. Not the drop on this thing. Probably gonna peek from right at that tree. Yep.
This is the whole ass dude.
Challenge did you find out? Oh, elimination assist.
Bless you.
That's elimination assist.
There's actually an icon in VS Code for this. For the Godot files.
Why did I just now get the paper successfully extracted? 30. 30.
What are you working on? I've got the file now. This is what it looks like on the inside.
I can't hit him.
We've got the attributes. We got the player attributes. Those are being saved. Great. We got
Right.
cell turns since last event. Great. Location, town. Great. However, I am having some trouble getting the scene to actually exist again. The map to actually exist again. Obviously, he's been saved. He has been saved. But we now need to make him real again. We need to make him a real boy. Does that make sense? We've got the rest. When I load, I could try switching to it for like a brief second.
Word bunker, so be the best circle you could hope for.
It's so close, man. It's so close. And then when this is done, I'm working on traveling, which should also be pretty quick. Because we're really just moving a little marker on a map based on where you click. That's pretty easy.
That's weird. It's just a team of two on that. No. It's just a team. It's just one guy. 130.
Save data as resource. Oh, because I need to import it as a resource.
Oh, Isaac, he's got a shield. That's him. In the open, in the water. The circle. Literally just out survive him. He can't do anything. Oh, it's just him, Si. Oh, I was looking at the squad eliminations. Yeah. In the water still down there? On the right? He's over here. On the left. 30, 60, he has no shields. He's literally one shot, pushing that.
When I attempt to get the packed scene and assign it as a child.
Above us. 50. What is he hoping on to do? Cross from us at this rock?
Nothing happens.
He literally doesn't have it.
How should I do that? That specifically.
Okay, wait, one more stuff now. Okay. Huh. I love getting a sniper kill with the last kill in the game.
Because he is a scene.
But the game sniper. He's got a bug side. You only gain one level of XP.
Container.add child enemy. Save data.c. Okay.
Oh, I don't think he had any health.
Because that works. That works fine. Right? Doesn't it? Yes, that works fine.
What does the llama sprite do? Gives you a chance to upgrade your weapon. What?
Map node equals file to load dot map space. Maybe I need to do it before. It is giving map time. It is printing map time. Hello. Are Koreans welcome here? I guess. They're fine. No qualms with the Koreans. Well, I assume you're Chinese. So. Just because Canada. Yeah, exactly. Half Chinese. We're talking. I don't usually go off of. I'm not. Well, I don't usually go off of. Oh, well, I live here. I don't give a shit where you live. I care where you came from. I told you like 4 times. I mean, Fubuki is kind of a giveaway, but I'm kind of just yanking your chain. A bit, a bit, a bit. Also, what you're putting in chat is not occupying as much brain space as you think it is right now. Map node. Boom. The map node is going to gameplay. Here, we have gameplay. Map node equals null. You're not Christian. You don't get to say that. You don't get to say that. You don't get to refer to things as of our Lord. Map data equals map node. It's like you lost those privileges. You lost the mild comedy. I guess so, but that's not really. That barely determines anything anymore. I don't know how that happened. The funny gold cross necklace. It it basically doesn't mean anything anymore. It's basically just a piece of jewelry. Oh, they're nice. Add child map scene. Print this. Do you wear any jewelry? I don't. I've considered it, but I don't think it would work on me. I think my bone structure is a bit too harsh for it. I'd probably end up looking like a mob boss, which is chill, but I don't know, man. I think it gives people a bad idea of me. I definitely wouldn't look gay, that's for sure. That is not the concern, actually. Oddly enough.
He's weak.
This doesn't do anything, does it? Map scene, I get node.
Here. Landing.
Oh, I know what you're talking. I know what you're talking about. I know what you're talking about. I just told you to forget about it. Remember? Focus on being a good person. I know exactly what you're talking about. Okay, I do. I'm joking, but I do know. I was mostly talking about the other half.
On me. I'm chasing him.
That is far from my very first rage bait. Usually people just don't get that far. They don't realize that it's rage bait, you know? And then we all just kind of move on quietly. It's very funny. It's very funny for me. It's very funny for me.
I got him.
No, that doesn't count. Don't be stupid.
In a galaxy water spray. No wonder he was running away.
It does count though? No, it doesn't. Nobody actively calls themselves Asian if they're from like Iraq, okay? Nobody does that.
That's probably where he was going to.
Nobody does that. Those people don't exist.
You open chest and max out my thing.
Because you're not even actually from there. Like we've talked about it before. And we'll get into it someday. But we're not going to talk about it now here.
Right chest.
We're not going to get into it now or here. I know an awful lot about the movement of people throughout history. We're not going to get into it. Not now. You could derail me onto that tangent. You could do that. But we're not going to do that right now. We're just not.
We should trade them.
We're just not going to get sidetracked like that here. Not yet. Not when I have freaking 2 weeks, basically, to do this. Map scene.get node. Map data. If map data equals null. Damn. I don't need constant updates. Because you're distracting me again. Make a new map. Map scene.load old map.
Well, obviously, we're not going to find them ourselves.
Print. I'm getting nothing. Print. Now we're cooking.
Okay, I did not think that would just break the rock. Oh, there's guys literally right there. I don't know where you should go.
Okay. Now we can find out exactly what's happening. Jigo. Okay. Empty. I know we have the map data.
On our left.
I guess we could also save the random number generator, but
Going up the hill right here.
boom, 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 boom. Because it obviously didn't get anything.
30.
Or it did get something. It did get something. It did get something. We just don't know what that thing is or how to handle it. It said, now we're cooking. Okay. A lot of me.
So dead.
Map time. Is it only saving? Is it only saving the one thing?
They're right here in front of us, outside the storm. Get to our back car. Actually, I'm gonna shoot him. He's right there. Dead. Crap. We'll help again.
When I need to save the whole scene.
Others right here.
Actually, he's transparent. He's transparent when saving happens. That's what it is. That's what it is, isn't it? When he gets saved, he is not opaque. That's probably it. Map space dot show. Let's try that. No. Okay. I can print his children though. That sounds brutal. That sounds grotesque. But really it's nothing. Print map space dot get children. Which returns an array of child nodes. No, it actually doesn't. Or I am just not getting any. How can I print map space? How can I print an entire node's attributes? Print all nodes data. Print all data attached to a node in GDScript. That will tell us how many children it has. That will tell us all the crap. Wait, let me just look here. Maybe it's just here.
Decent amount of people going here. I'm gonna go to this pink building.
Node count 1. Okay, that's what it is. Also, let me choose a program and then set it as default.
On me. 2 of them.
Just real quick.
I'm coming to you, Si. These guys want me dead really bad. They're in the building I landed on. They're still there. Top floor. Nope. He's breaking the wall right here. Oh, it's AI.
Make sure you're instancing the packed scene. You must call packed scene.instantiate. Then add the result in node. That's what that does. Like parent dot add child packed scene. You won't get expected behavior because packed scene is not a node. Okay. I'm getting a node. Because that's what's connected to it is mapspace.gd. That is what it is. Will include its children structure. No, it won't. Okay. Well, it's not a problem there anymore, and that's fine. Load game, actually, believe it or not, works perfectly. File to load .mapspace.instantiate. No, we don't want to do it that way. We want to keep him packed until we get there.
You have shotgun ammo? Do you have shotgun ammo? Oh, okay, thank you. I think it's far. You'll extract.
Back a node that has children. Your save will include its children. That is not true. That did not happen. Brother, that did not happen.
Here in front of me.
Oh, do I have to tell? Do I have to say that it's a node?
I think they're in here. Could be wrong. I'm confused. Oh, fuel. One right here. Okay, I'm
Pack. Okay, yeah, because that's just the one then, which is not what I was looking
in front
for.
of me.
Pack apparent scene
Landing on me.
scene dot get node, because I did not. I just did the path. I just did the path. Map scene. I did that, which is bad.
I need to not reload. Yeah.
So that would be the root. We don't want to save the root.
Moving left still. He's over here. I saw him.
Map BG aspect ratio container control map space. Vaccine.new.
Where's someone I can shoot?
Okay, map data dot pack. Get parent.
What I hate about the
Good.
thing.
Map scene. Okay.
You can't deploy your blind. You have to waste it.
Map scene.
Okay, well. Below me right here. My next building. My thing automatically loads for you. Automatically loads. There's two guys here, Si.
Vaccine dot pack. That needs to be the node object. Okay, so how can I get a node object? Get a node object from a
Have you right here somewhere? Mythic shot. Gold boss spray.
scene object. How can I get a specific? Or the shorthand. Okay. How can I go up in the shorthand?
You just go back for your stuff. Reload.
Actually, this is a child, so I'm going to the root.
Are you just gonna get your stuff back? I want to extract my gold boss spray.
I could do parent.
On me.
Dot get child. No. Get parent dot map scene dot get node.
I want to extract my gold boss sprite. Where can I do that? I have a big shield for you. I can say that.
Get a node object from a parent.
We need to bank shot on one.
Parent scene's other child.
Okay. Let's go extract.
To access the desired child node directly. Okay. Dot find. I could have him return with a function, with another slop function. Map.
Hiding in this rock.
Func.
Oh, it's just
Get map space.
I'm gonna try and shoot them then.
Oh. Well, that's what I'm looking for, so.
Did you throw the smoke?
That should work. Okay, so now when I save, this will be the last one. And it will be good, and I'm gonna go do other things for a little bit. Nope. I have to check the map first. I have to check the map first.
He's really weak right here. It looks like it's too subtle inside. In the trees. One over there. I don't know if that's there.
Okay, very weird.
Let's go right. I have weak shield for you.
Morp.
On me. There's big shields up here too.
Okay, try again.
Here somewhere. You gotta be hiding right here. I don't know.
Simple lettuce.
37, 70. I'm pushing that. I messed up.
Glorp.
70. 40. Other guys here below us. Okay.
Okay, that's fine. I don't give a shit. Shit. I don't know what to do. This isn't working.
Moving to the right. It's rock. I heard footsteps. The footsteps were weird. Yeah.
It doesn't look any different. That's what nodes look like, so I assume it's not working. Because I only see one. So this is bad. This is bad. That is probably close.
You can't go and pick up those sprites because of outwork. That might be why actually.
Uh-oh, that's gone. Okay,
It
I
might be so that you can go and pick up those sprites.
don't know, man.
If you don't help it, the map.
How to? I need to duplicate. Dot duplicate. There it is. Got it. That's it. That'll work. We were just getting the one node. We need the whole thing. We need the whole hog. Look at the map. Okay, fantastic. W master. Okay, crash. That's fine. Damn it. Okay, I don't know what to do. I think I'm done. I'm gonna keep looking. I'm gonna keep looking. But for today, I'm done. I'm done. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. That's it. That's it. Bye bye. Get out of here. I need a snack. A good one, whatever it is. I'm done. Bye bye.